Good evening, everyone. It is once again Ted the Speed Learner, and I am here once again to declare the winner of the video response wars this week, which happens to be none other than Crazy Josh Cravey. Congratulations, Crazy Josh Cravey. You are again the winner of the video response wars this week, and I'm going to make a reference to your Christmas haul video. Specifically, I just had a couple of quick questions on that. Number one, when it comes to all those, and I'm going to use it at a generic term, all those Rubik's Cubes, which one is the largest? Which one is the toughest to figure out? Which one is the sturdiest of them? And did any of them have to be special ordered? Did you have to go to a very specific place to get them? And how? And you can ask the people that gave you these gifts if they had to have them special shipped to your house or to wherever they were shipped to. Did it take a lot of time for those particular items to get to that house, so on and so forth? Now, what factors did you use to decide on that video camera? When you bought the video camera, what were the things you were thinking about? What were the things you were considering when you were buying this? What kind of research did you do? I mean, did you just go to some website somewhere and say, hey, look, I think that's a great camera? Or did you do some research on this? And did you think about the kind of features that you wanted on this camera, so on and so forth? I'd kind of like to know all this. I mean, what did you do in the line of research for this video camera to determine that that was the particular one that you wanted? I'd kind of like to know that. Is this a particularly heavy video camera? How are you going to protect this video camera from getting damaged while you're using it? I mean, with me, I've got this, well, at the time when I bought my Kodak EasyShare, it was about $100. So, you know, if it gets trashed, who cares? You know, I go buy another one. Well, I don't want to do that, but I could if I had to. If I had to go get another camera, I could. Not that I want to, but I could. But in your particular case, I mean, that's more than $100 worth of a camera. Okay? Of course, my camera now, I've used it for so many years. As a matter of fact, I would say out of the 7+ years I've been on YouTube, I've used this camera now for over 5 years. Possibly 6 by now. So, it ain't worth $100 now. I can tell you that. It's probably not even worth $50 at this point. But I bought it for $100, and it's not probably not even worth $25 at this point. I mean, it still works, obviously, but it's not really worth that much. I know eventually I need to get around to buying another one, but if I do buy a camera, it's only going to be about $100, if that. We'll see. If finance is good, I just might do that. Otherwise, I won't. I'm not even going to worry about that right now. But the main thing I'm trying to say is I was just kind of concerned about the safety of your camera. I mean, what kind of things can you do to keep the camera safe so that, you know, one drop, that's it. See what I mean? So, it's just something I was thinking about. Anyway, whew, I know, this is a lovely evening, and I've been doing all this. Thank you very much for tuning in and participating, and I'm sorry I didn't get this video out to you sooner. As you can see, I was taping the Kia's Logic, and you've seen that now, and on top of that, I was doing all this research, and I wanted to present it in a formal, well-organized manner, and now you're seeing that. You can go ahead and check out the other 2 videos that I'm going to post tonight. One of them has already been videotaped. The other one is going to be videotaped soon. But anyway, just to conclude all this, thank you very much for participating. Congratulations on once again winning the Video Response Wars contest. You have yourself a great week. I hope everybody had fun on Groundhog's Day. Yes, I'm well aware that my birthday is coming up. I'm also well aware that your birthday is coming up. So, happy early birthday to you. I hope you wish me the same thing. Thank you very much for tuning in. I will tell you more in a future video, so I'd like for you to stay tuned.